Domain and Tozzi group, everybody on both teams will get a copy of this video. Tony and I were collaborating as we always do, and kind of going over this tracker and stuff. We thought it'd be fun to make it a competition, see who comes out on top. We have the same number of agents exactly on both teams, so add a little friendly competition to this. So I wanted to send a video so you can kind of see how this works and everything. So this tracker is pretty cool. This is a 4-week competition, so it's broken down at the bottom here. You can go to week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Okay. Now, what's going to happen is this competition is based on activity. Okay, so you have all of these activity-based things that you will get points for if you do them, right? Like making a phone call is 1 point per call, going on a buyer's consultation is 25, an open house is 25. So everything is designated to points, okay? And what we're gonna do is at the end of every day, keep track of what you do, right? So if you go and you say, hey, I made 25 calls, you're gonna see right here that it will automatically score you based on the points, okay? So I wanna make sure that you understand, only fill out this gray section or else you will mess up all of the sequence or the algorithms right here, okay? So if you look here, right, let's say you had a unique conversation. This is not with an active client. This is with, let's say, a pawn client or somebody that you haven't talked to in a while. Talk to them for a few minutes, move the needles. The needle, let's say, you put that in, gives you 20 points, okay? So you do it, you set a buyer's consultation, you set 2 of them, let's say, 30 points. You go on that consultation, you go on both of them, that would be 50 points. And at the end, what you're gonna see is it's gonna total up your points at the end of every single day, then it's gonna give you your total points for the week. How the competition works is, whoever has the most combined points between the Tozzi group versus the domain is the winner. Now here's the key, okay? There is gonna be, the loser does have to, there is gonna be something on the line, okay? So the losing team has to host and plan the next game night, the next Tozzi domain game night. So the winning team does not have to put a penny in. The losing team has to pay for that game night, okay? So there's a little bit of awards on the line here, okay? So again, make sure you only fill in the gray part after Monday, then on Tuesday, fill in the gray part, Wednesday, gray part, Thursday, it will total everything up for you. Just got to remember how many of these things you do every single day. Total points at the end of the month. So we're going to start this on July 1st, and we're going to look at the end of a 4-week span. So right around probably July 31st, we're going to look, see who has the most points, and determine a winner. Tony and I are not a part of this competition. So we have 6 agents, not including myself, and the Tozzi group has 6 agents, not including Tony. So it's going to be 6 on 6. Very fair playing field. Make sure you get out there, do all this stuff, and let's see who comes out on top. Appreciate it. Have a good night. Let Tony or I know if you have any questions.